So check if you can solve this question. The question is, if A, B, C are positive real numbers, then x cube plus bx plus c is equal to 0 has exactly one real root. So is it true or false? So how will you approach this question? You can see here the exponent on x is odd number. Here x cube, here x. There is no x square in this. So by graphical method you can at least you can understand that if x is positive, this function ax cube bx plus bx plus c will have some positive value. When x is negative, so these two terms will be negative, and the sum of these two terms will be greater than this, then this function will have its value below x-axis. So it is for sure now that it will cross the line x. But we are not sure that after going up maybe it will be like this. But you can make out like x is increasing, it is an increasing function in x. So when x is positive, it will keep on increasing. It will never turn down. So from there also you can make out that it is having one solution. But if you want to mathematically prove it, so what you will do, this is your cubic polynomial. If we assume that alpha, beta and gamma, three real roots, of this equation, so then your alpha plus beta plus gamma will be equal to negative of the coefficient of x square, but coefficient of x square here is absent, so it is 0. Second thing, alpha, beta, beta, gamma, gamma, alpha is positive of the coefficient of x, that is b. Third part is alpha, beta and gamma is minus c. Your A is positive, B is positive, C is positive, given in the question. So here the right hand side is negative. So it means this alpha, beta and gamma should be such so that this value should also be negative, because LHS has to be RHS equal to the RHS. So if alpha is positive and beta is positive, then gamma must be, means third root must be negative, or all the roots are negative. So these two are the possibilities. So from here also we cannot conclude that it is having only one real root. From these two we can make the identity equation. We can use this identity equation. Idea is, since you have these two information available, so you should see how you can use it in equation. So you know this, here it is 0, alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square is 2b. So what does this equation tells you? That LHS is definitely positive and RHS is definitely negative. So what does this mean? It will have imaginary root. Okay, alpha, beta or gamma. So it is having imaginary root, and you know that imaginary roots are occurring in conjugate pairs. So means if we say that one imaginary root is there, so that statement will not be correct. So there must be two imaginary roots, and third one will be the real root. So this is the way we can prove that this one is having exactly one real root mathematically. Graphically, as I said you that if we, when x is positive, it is an increasing function, but it will keep on increasing. When x is negative, and negative is where the sum of these two terms becomes greater than this, so it will be having negative value, and it will also keep on going down and down further for the x value. From here also you can conclude, but this is the way to do it mathematically. So hopefully you understood it. Thank you.